marriage, think of the idea of marriage in those days, about 4 or 5 decades ago, and today it's entirely different. You know, in those days it's only arranged marriage. You know, very few out of maybe 0.5%, 1% they go out of the family and then they get married, or they fall in love and then marry. So those days is very rare. So we don't antagonize our parents when they say this is the girl you have to marry. We marry.
Two people relations are between husband and wife.
मैरिज जितनी लाइफ कॉम्प्लेक्स है उतनी मैरिज भी कॉम्प्लेक्स ही होती है.
If it is good, life will be very beautiful. Otherwise, so much problems we have to face. Understand each husband and wife.
हर रोज़ आप सीखते हैं एक दूसरे आदमी के बारे में. और मैरिज तो देखिए अभी तो हम लोग के टाइम में अरेंज हुआ करती थी, लेकिन आज अरेंज नहीं होती, लव मैरिज भी हुआ करती है जहाँ पे लोग लिव इन में भी रहते हैं और पहले से एक दूसरे के बारे में जानते हैं. तो अब ये डिपेंड करता है कि आप कितना सामने वाले को समझना चाहते हैं, कितना लाइफ उसके साथ जीना चाहते हैं.
They have to like each other. They are seeing economically how they are independent. You know, how they will lead life. You know, and all that. You know, and the compatibility is they see compatibility today. Those days compatibility was not seen.
Then only family will run smoothly. We can give some good lessons to the children. Otherwise, to children also it will affect on very badly.
और ये मैरिज तो क्या बोला जाए इसके बारे में, एक दो तरफा ये प्रोसेस होता है जिसमें दोनों को काम करना पड़ता है. एक अकेला आदमी इस रिलेशनशिप को नहीं चला सकता.
No, I would say it's a very sacred thing. You know, marriage is a very sacred thing. You have to respect. I think I will not recommend people to live independently, even though the idea of living independently today is catching up with a lot of modern guys. But I would say, you know, it may be ideal for about now. Maybe after another 10 years it will be good. But after that you will feel very lonely. There is no one to talk to.
There is one kind of belief, sir. Diverse point when come. Nowadays, girls and boys are equally educated. So they are not having much understanding between those people. Everybody wants equal rights. Always, gents wants a little bit high than ladies. But nowadays it is not possible.
लाइफ चेंजिंग होता है, लाइफ चेंजिंग भी है और आपको हर रोज़ एक नई चीज़ें सिखा कर जाता है. आप हर रोज़ उसमें कुछ नई चीज़ें सीखते हैं. उसको डील करना, उसको समझना, आगे बढ़ना बहुत मेहनत लगता है उसमें. उसको चलाना ही बहुत बड़ी मेहनत की चीज़ है.
I think you cannot share your ideas, you cannot share your love, you cannot share your happiness. You know, how long you will be having friends. You know, there's a certain time, you know, when you become old, definitely you require a partner to take care of yourself and also to help the other partner. I think marriage is I would say marriage is an ideal thing.
Believeness, sir. Between both two people, good relationship, believeness. Each one believe, yes, I am very believable to her and she feels very believable to my husband. Then only it will hold very strongly.
क्या सोच रखते हैं डिपेंड करता है. जैसे एक लड़की के लिए तो लाइफ का मैरिज बहुत टर्निंग पॉइंट ही कह लीजिए कि होता है, क्योंकि जो हम लोग जहाँ से बिलोंग करते हैं वहाँ पे एक बार आपकी शादी हो गई, आप बन गए, आपको उसको किसी भी हालत में अच्छे से निभाना है.
No, marriage is a companion. Yes, it's interdependent. You know, you are helping your family to only in the marriage only you will see how the children are going. You know, you see you mold them in a different way. You know, we don't mold them. We show directions. We don't mold them. We show directions. This is good. This is bad. This is your life. You take it. So that's how you bring up children in a marriage.
तो उस निभाने के चक्कर में आपको बहुत सारी सैक्रिफाइसेस करने होते हैं और आप करते हैं और उस हिसाब से आगे चलते हैं. मोस्टली ऐसा लगता है कि शायद औरतों के लिए लाइफ मैरिज के बाद बहुत ज़्यादा चेंज होता है, फिज़िकली, मेंटली, हर तरह से. तो इसको डिफ़ाइन करना इतना इजी तो नहीं होगा, लेकिन मैरिज चलाना हाँ, हम लोग सीखते हैं और बढ़ते हैं आगे।
I think what I would say is, in those days the needs only, we were looking after only the needs. You know, there were no wants. Today there are more wants than needs. So both have to work to meet their wants. Otherwise it's not possible. And they start comparing other people life. You know, that's very bad. That's the worst thing in my, I would say. Don't compare. You live within your means. You know, you live within your means, and what is possible, you do it. Don't just don't paste and copy in your life. It is not there at all for anyone. You know, you cannot become Ambani, and you can become Ambani provided you are working for it, right? And for that you need not you have to, otherwise you will be putting a lot of efforts, a lot of work, hard work, lot of sacrifice you have to do to reach that level. If you are ready for it, you are for game.
Achievement means success, sir. Success, if I, whatever I'm doing, if that is success, then what I thought I have achieved.
मेरे हिसाब से तो कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ बहुत अच्छा वर्ड नहीं होगा मैरिज चलाने के लिए। अंडरस्टैंडिंग ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, एक दूसरे को समझे तो हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं बेहतर तरीके से। अगर कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करेंगे तो कल हो सकता है उस चीज़ के लिए हमें आगे चल के पछतावा हो कि शायद उस समय अगर हम कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करते तो शायद लाइफ ज़्यादा अच्छी होती। ये सोच आपको हमेशा पीछे लेके जाएगा। तो मेरे ख्याल से कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ तो नहीं, लेकिन अंडरस्टैंडिंग ज़रूर चाहिए।